Alright, for this side we could decide to do what? For example, adding some grasses, trees, lights, and maybe small blocks. Maybe something like that could be help us. Allow me to search larger size because it is closing at least 2 megapixel. And you could find some elements, etc. Also, you could make very simple one. Allow me to search grass images, and some grasses match with our camera angle here. Not so close, not too far. Allow me to search at least large. They are too small. Yeah, as I mentioned in previous chapters, it doesn't matter to match too much, but a bit close. For example, from top view won't work, of course. Something like that could be helpful. Sadly, this is focused. Alright, let's don't take it too hard. Alright, just try to find some images a bit match with your angle. Not bad. Let's check others. This is too close, but we could combine it. Okay, open image. Yep, we could combine actually. First right click, copy image and bring it here. Allow me to bring here. Okay. Before that, I'm starting to make a mask here. Very simple mask. Create mask. Unlink. Select your grass and move it any place you like. Control or Command T. Make any angle you like. Maybe a bit distortion. Okay. Also, I could copy other one. Right click, copy. Paste it. Hold on the Alt or Option key and drag to make similar mask. Control or Command T. Okay. And maybe not bad to remove some part of that to match. Not soft brush, maybe with some noisy eraser. Oops. I need eraser for that. Sadly, they are just brush. I could use on mask. It's okay. I want to use it as a mask. Okay. Just match a bit and I could decrease opacity to blend. Okay, make a group because I don't want to lose any mask information. Grass. And if you remember, I made a brush in previous chapters for grasses. Here I make a mask. Okay, I copied this mask here and disable others. Now we could rotate them, maybe something like that, smaller, and start bring grasses out a bit to make more natural. Larger, smaller, totally depends on you. We don't need actually the top part. Alright. And okay, I think this layer have to be raised a bit. It is too visible for that. Alright, allow me to add some adjustments. First of all, curves, and make it darker. Clipping mask, of course. Make it much darker. And maybe levels. We don't need this much light in here. Allow me to remove some part. Okay. Also, again, I could add solid color. The same blue. Overlay. Decrease opacity. Maybe some parts not working fine, so I could decrease some places. Yeah. Brush. Standard brush. Less flow and start to reduce here a bit. Okay. I think we have too much yellowish color, by the way. And I could add exposure here. Less exposure. Okay. We could add blocks here. And actually I think this grass is too intense, so let me decrease opacity, just blend. Make variety. Even for here. Smaller. But less opacity. And erasing. Yeah, this is just make more variety. And this one have too much yellow color, so Control or Command U, yellows, and you could shift the yellow values to other colors and desaturate. Okay, I think this is much more better. Alright,